Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Deepak.R studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering from the Department of CSE Cyber Security. Today I am going to explain about my topic NAND gate and NOR gate implementation. Introduction to NAND and NOR gates. NAND and NOR gates are the fundamental building blocks in the digital logic circuits. The NAND gate outputs true only when both of its inputs are false, while the other NOR gate outputs true only when the both inputs are false. These gates play a crucial role in computer engineering and digital electronics. The basic logic gates and their functions. The basic logic gates are AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. AND gate performs logical conjunction. OR gate performs logical disjunction. NOT gate performs logical negation. The NAND gate implementation. Basic structure. The NAND gate is constructed using transistors and resistors to implement the NAND gate logic function. How it works. When both inputs are high, the NAND gate produces a low output. Otherwise, it produces a high output. The truth table and the logical expression for the NAND gate. There are two inputs, input A, input B, and a single output. If the both inputs are 0, then the output will be 1. If one of the input is 0 and the other input is 1, then the output will be 1. If input A is 1 and input B is 0, then the output will be 1. If both the inputs are 1, then the output will be 0. This shows that it gives 0 output when both the inputs are 1. So the logical expression for the NAND gate will be y is equals to a dot b whole bar. Next we are going to learn about the NOR gate implementation. Components. The NOR gate is constructed using a combination of diodes and transistors. It has two or more inputs and one output. Operation. The NOR gate produces an output only when all the inputs are low, otherwise the output is high. Symbol. The symbol for NOR gate consists of a triangle with a small circle at the output end. The truth table and the logical expression for the NOR gate. Same, there are two inputs and one output. If both the inputs are 0, then the output will be 1. If any one of the input is 0 and other input is 1, then the output will be 0. And if both the inputs are 1, then also the output will be 0. This truth table for an OR gate shows that it gives 0 out when both the inputs are 1 and one of the input will is 1 or 0, then it will show 0 as the output. It shows 1 only when both the inputs are 0. Therefore, the logical expression for an OR gate will be y is equals to a plus b whole bar. Next, we are discussing about the comparison between the NAND gates and NOR gates. NAND gates. In NAND gates produces a high output only if the both of the inputs are low. But in NOR gate, it produces low output only if the inputs are high. The NAND gate can be used to produce any basic logic function, and NOR gate can also be used to produce any basic logic function. For example, AND, OR, NOT gates can be implemented using NAND and NOR gates. It is considered as universal gate. NAND and NOR gates both can be considered as universal gate because The basic gates such as AND or NOT can be implemented using the universal gates such as NAND and OR. NOR. Now let us discuss about the applications of NAND gates and NOR gates in digital circuits. Data processing. The NAND gates and NOR gates are used in digital circuits for efficient data processing and the logical operations. Integrated circuits. NAND gate and NOR gates are very much essential components in the design and construction of integrated circuits, enabling complex functionality. The microprocessors. NAND gate and NOR gate plays a very crucial role in the functionality of microprocessors, enabling computational tasks. Advantages and the disadvantages of NAND and NOR gates. Advantages of NAND gates. NAND gates are universal and can be used to create any other type of gate. They have a simple structure and are easy to manufacture. Disadvantages of NAND gates. They require more transistors compared to other basic gates, increasing the overall chip area and power consumption is more. Advantages of NOR gates. NOR gates are also universal and allowing for various logic functions to be implemented using a single gate. They are less complex and consume less power. Disadvantages of NOR gates. They are slower than NAND gates in certain applications due to pull-up register and can be more complex to design in certain scenarios. Conclusion. After exploring the NAND and NOR gates, it's evident that both play crucial roles in digital circuit design. Despite their differences, they have extensive applications and unique advantages. Understanding their implementations and the characteristics is fundamental for anyone involved in electronic and digital systems. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.